Part 2 and respected listener, a very good afternoon and welcome all of you to today's lecture. Dear students, I will deliver today the lecture on third law of thermodynamics, which is selected from BSc Part 2 Paper 3 Physical Chemistry, chosen from Unit 2nd, titled as Thermodynamics 2nd. Dear students, first of all, I bring to draw your kind immediate notice and focus one important questions. Once again, I repeat, how many laws, total laws of thermodynamics? Some students respond two laws of thermodynamics existing. Some students respond three laws of thermodynamics do existing here. But the exact answer, total 4 laws of thermodynamics existing in the field of thermodynamics here. Once again, I repeat, now may I have attention please, that is the first law, which is mainly concerned the principle of conservation of energy. Mathematical form, delta Q is equals to du plus delta W. Energy neither destroyed nor cannot be, that is the produced, but it can be converted from one form to the another one form. Hence, first law is mainly concerned with, that is the principle of conservation of energy. Second one, that is the mathematical form of second law of thermodynamics. I have mentioned on the blackboard here. Change in entropy dx is equals to delta Q reversible upon T. Dear students, according to second law of thermodynamics, here that is of the entropy, which is the measure of degree of disorderness continuously of the universe increasing here. I mean to say, degree of disorderness, entropy always positive according to say, that is of second law of thermodynamics here. Okay, second law is okay. Now next one, that is of I state about third law of TD. Third law of TD, that is the just reverse of, that is of second law of TD. Second law of thermodynamics, after changing two important condition. First one, that is the phase condition, or second one, that is of state variable condition. Two important new condition when introduced into the second law, it will be totally converted into, that is the third law of thermodynamics. According to third law of thermodynamics, and that is of Max Planck, and that is of, you know here, that is of Max Planck, 1913, at absolute zero temperature, for perfectly crystalline solid substances, the entropy becomes equal to zero. Dear students, according to second law of TD, del S of the universe is always positive. But why? It has been changed to the value of change in entropy is zero, because we applied two important conditions. First one, zero absolute degree Celsius or Kelvin of temperature. Second one, we are using here purely, absolutely, obviously, perfectly solid substances here. In order to explain, let us consider the chemical changes which is undergoing from, that is of state A to, that is of state next one, reactant to, that is of product, by keeping pressure as a constant from to, that is of 0 Kelvin to, that is of T Kelvin here. Max Planck 1930 firstly observed the change in entropy for this, that is of chemical process here. Del S is equals to ST minus H0 is equals to 0 to T Cp upon T dt. Dear students, here H0 denote here, that is of zero entropy. ST I have mentioned on the blackboard, that is of, you know here, that is of third law entropy here. And next one, that is the fourth law, that is of zero law of thermodynamics. Hence, total 4 law of thermodynamics existing here. One important illustration to define zeroth law of thermodynamics. A very interesting example, suppose A is the friend of B, B is the friend of C, and by that is of dispute, suppose friend B is removed, it disconnected here, but still A will be the friend of, that is of C. It is known as, that is of zero law of thermodynamics here. Once again, total 4 law of thermodynamics here. 0th law to define here. 3rd law I have just defined the statement conceptual of 3rd law of thermodynamics is here. Now I define here, that is of 0th law of thermodynamics. What does 0th law of thermodynamics here? Suppose in order to explain the very interested example, to explain 0th law of thermodynamics, A is the friend of B is the friend of C, and by dispute suppose B is disconnected, automatically A will be definitely the friend of that is of C. I mean to say on the blackboard here, that is when A is directly contact of thermally equilibrium with that is of B, the article or device B is in contact of C. By removal, by the disconnection of B, automatically A will be in that is of thermal equilibrium of A to C. 0 means that is of similarity uniform. It is known as that is of 0th law of thermodynamics here. Once again I repeat, total law of thermodynamics. First law of thermodynamics mainly concerned with the principle of conservation of energy. Second law of thermodynamics to define as that is of entropy of the universe continuously increases here. Third law of TD to define for perfectly crystalline solid substances at 0 degrees Celsius of temperature, at 0 Kelvin of temperature, the entropy becomes equals to 0 here. And according to that is the 4th law, 0th law of thermodynamics, which into the counter of 4th law, according to that is of 0th law of thermodynamics, A in contact to B, B is contact to C, automatically by that is of dispute or disconnection of, by the removal of B, A will be definitely the friend equilibrium with that is of C. So it is known as that is of, it is defined that is of degree of hotness. I mean to define 0th law to define as that is of a temperature. 0th law is mainly concerned with that is of temperature. Next I will deliver in compact form, in summarized form. Today is our next topic, that is of residual entropy, statement, principle and conceptual. I repeat in compact form, in detailed form. I will explain it, that is of tomorrow. Next one, the kinds of entropy, that is of residual entropy. How will you define residual entropy? What is the concept and what is its fundamental scientific logic? Why it has been introduced in our syllabus here? Dear students, S0, S3, del S, except and we are going to deliver a very special, very interested topic, that is of residual entropy. To define in order to define that is of residual entropy here, that is it has been observed on the behalf of different spectroscopic heat capacity data, dissimilarity, inequality, the structure of lattice solid substances. It has been found that change in entropy, I mean to say the theoretical value of entropy will not be equal to the practical entropy. I mean to say that is here, del S will not be equal to that is of del S PR. TH for theoretical, PR for that is of practical. The difference between the value of entropy of theoretical and practical is known as that is of residual entropy, and symbolized by that is of del S RE. Listen to me once again, dear students of BSc Part 2. In order to define that is of residual entropy by spectroscopic data, by spectroscopic values, by dissimilarity of the crystal lattice, and by inequality, that deviation of structure lattice, it has been found, it has been observed. The theoretical value of entropy will not be equal to the practical value of entropy. The difference between theoretical value of entropy and practical value of entropy to define as that is of a del S residual, and is symbolized by that is of del S RE. The rest information numerical we will deliver it, that is of tomorrow. Thank you very much.